Corporate Social Responsibility SADBHAVANA 2023, an initiative by the Alliance Alumni Association. Our commitment towards sustainability and social responsibility comes from our collective efforts we take here at Alliance University. SADBHAVANA, a recent CSR event which took place at the Government Higher Primary School, Pyagodadanahalli, which highlighted knowledge sharing and collaboration. This project aimed at enhancing the educational infrastructure by providing 15 new benches for the classrooms. Our NSS students came forward with their cultural performances to engage with the school students. It was a delightful event, a day full of fun and laughter, signifying our unceasing endeavors to uphold CSR principles and values. Contribute now to Alliance Alumni Association CSR Fund. Let's change lives together.